This life, you go buy a ring, you go kneel down, the beg person make she marry you. You don't even know whether you go say yes or no. People go come gather. They say yes, say yes, say yes. She go come finally say yes. Like say she won't favor you. You go carry money, go do wedding. She go come pack her friends full everywhere. Say that they do ashebi. As if that one not there enough. One day she go come house, say she get belly. She go come there happy. She come turn you to house help. And so you go do boy walk till 9 months. She go come finally go hospital. Then at the end of the day, she go come back with another person where you no even know. Person where no get it. Two of them now go team up, become best friend. Come join hand together. They punish you for your own money. Ha! Marriage in a scam. They don't come.
Baby.
Yeah, okay, you're here.
Woke up without us.
Sorry, my head full. As I dey inside that place, come like say my head no get network. So I come and make breeze touch my head, make I know whether I go feel things straight.
My leg is paining me. I think I need some leg massage.
Leg massage? Okay, come and sit down. Let's go. Sit down. Easy. Which leg?
This one.
Okay, this one. Okay.
What are you doing now, Jojo? Apply some muscles.
Make I apply muscle. Ah! What?
You want to break my legs?
Sorry.
Be romantic.
Oh, I've heard. I'm doing it small. How they do I'm small now.
I've told you. Your hand from my leg. I've told you, Jojo, to stop speaking pidgin English for my baby. You don't know kids are like spirits. In fact, my child is a spirit and she's hearing what you are saying. Eh?
Then I'm speaking pidgin English. Baby will never come out. I won't take care whether na pidgin I speak. I've been waiting I speak.
Stop shouting at me. Jojo, children are like spirits. In fact, my baby is a spirit. Eh? And anything, all this pidgin English you are speaking is affecting her.
Okay, I've heard. I won't speak pidgin English again.
Jojo.
Yes?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? So what do you want to eat?
I want monkey stew.
Jesus is
Monkey?
Lord!
Stew.
Hey! I hear me to me,
Monkey?
Jojo, you're shouting at me. I want monkey stew.
Will you keep quiet?
Hey!
Which one is it?
Which one is monkey stew again now?
Are you asking me?
Wait. Is it the baby in the womb that wants the monkey stew, or is it you that wants the monkey stew?
It's the baby. Because I had a dream, and in my dream my baby was shouting, monkey, 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 monkey. So that moment I knew my baby wanted monkey stew. That's what my baby told me.
Wait, baby in the womb is shouting monkey, monkey, monkey? Hey, make you no be saying a monkey she carry you. No, I say, he say monkey stew, abi?
Jojo.
No, sorry.
Jojo. I want monkey stew.
Ha. Okay.
And you are still sitting down.
Where will I get it now? Where will I get the monkey?
Jojo!
Eh?
Go and bring the monkey stew now.
Okay. Sorry, let me go.
Baby, go now.
This marriage of a thing, they don't explain and give me. Which one be monkey stew? They don't cook monkey stew for life again. Eh? That's how they go person shop, they go look me like sad, they mad. Which one be monkey stew? They don't explain this marriage of a thing where give me.
Oh, no.
Bros, I beg no vex. I don't work at tire. Please, I find where I go fi buy monkey stew.
Monkey stew?
Monkey stew.
I don't know what is it. They cook.
No.
No, I mean, yes, they
You well at all? Yeah? They know they cook stew with monkey. I don't know.
No, I mean monkey stew.
You know where I bring.
Eh? Say they know they cook stew with monkey. Ha!
Baby Jojo, you didn't get it.
See, this is not time to cry, yo. This is not time to cry.
No.
This monkey stew of a thing made me look like a madman today. I don't search everywhere, tire, no see am. And even the waka for road, they ask everybody, where I go see monkey stew, where I go see monkey stew. They look me like say I be madman. Eh? I don't know, you just have to alternate. Stop crying, no. This is not time to cry.
Jojo, are you saying I sent you on an impossible mission?
No, now. How can you ask for the impossible, my wife?
Because I know there are so many restaurants out there where they sell monkey stew, cat stew, even lion stew.
Jesus!
Are you sure you even went out to go and look for it? Telling me that.
Person, no see monkey stew. Lion stew, person, you can't see.
Oh, Lena, in short, go and buy me goat stew and rice.
Goat meat stew.
And rice.
That one is better now. I will get it very quickly, eh? My lovely wife.
Kita
Kebian, eh?
Fast, oh. Fast, I'll just faint. The baby is hungry. Jojo.
Jojo. This one is easier. Which one is monkey stew? Since morning I dey waka more than 4 hours. I don't see him. No see as you talk goat meat now.
Go and pour your saliva inside the food now. Hey, Jojo, give me. Jojo, I will faint, oh.
Sorry.
Jojo, be fast now.
Okay.
Jojo.
And this is water, eh?
Jojo.
It's nice, but you know.
Will you allow me to eat? Jojo.
So now that you are eating, let me go inside and fix.
Jojo, want to leave me and go inside? Oh, you know I'm eating something that has a lot of pepper. What if I choke?
But that's why there is water here now.
No problem. Just go inside. No problem. Go inside.
I'm here.
What if kidnappers come now and come and kidnap me and my baby? Eh? Are you not supposed to be the man of the family? Are you not supposed to be taking care of us and looking out for us?
But I'm here now. I didn't go inside again. I'm here now. I didn't go inside again. I'm here.
Okay. Jojo. Is this goat meat? Is it male or female?
Yeah!
Which one is male or female goat meat again? Goat meat is goat meat now.
You're shouting at me now.
Hey. Okay, what if it's male?
Let's see what happens. When I'm expecting a female child. What if my child starts behaving like a guy when she comes out?
Hey! Rita Zukwenike, eh?
You're shouting at me now.
What is all this? Which one is whether meat goat in a male or female? Ha!
Baby. Thank you. Hey, Jojo, I forgot you were supposed to eat with me. This pregnancy is making me very, very forgetful. Eh?
Don't worry about me, eh? See, my primary concern is you and my child. That's why. Yes, once you and my child eats, I'm okay. I don't have a problem, eh? Yes, my love. Well, just be enjoying your food, eh? Okay, now let me go inside and at least fix something for me to eat. I'm also a human being now.
Jojo, I thought you said once I eat and the baby have eaten that you are very okay.
Hey! I hear me to me.
You want to go inside and did you even ask me if the food I ate have digested? Eh?
Sorry about that. Sorry. Has the food digested?
No. Let's go for a stroll.
Jesus!
So that the food can digest.
Here is God. Oh.
Strolling.
Yes, let's go for a walk.
Okay, no problem. Let's go. Let's go. Huh?
Welcome. Jojo. Jojo.
My lovely wife. Is your Iguaro. Are you having pains anyway? Okay.
Baby, this place is very, very scary and I don't like it.
This lonely. Okay, should we go back?
No, just make it lively for me.
I don't understand. How do I make it lively? I don't get. This is a lonely road. Everybody knows. Eh? You want people to come stand for road? Everybody there in house now. This one is just road, normal road. So how do I make it lively?
You're angry. Are you angry?
I'm not angry. It's just that I don't understand how you want me to make streets, road. How I want to make them lively?
Baby,
Eh?
you're not angry.
I'm not hungry. I'm happy.
Yeah, sing for me.
Eh?
Sing for me.
To be a man, it's not a day job. Yeah, that's so you do.
Baby.
Okay, Nifel.
Baby, which one is to be a man is not a day job? Which one is to be a man is not a day job? To be a woman that is easy? Is it to be a woman that is easy? You think it's easy to carry a whole full-blooded human being in your stomach?
See, you're putting me through stress ever since you got pregnant. I don't like this. What is this whole thing now? Why are you stressing me like this now? Eh? Because you're pregnant. Even Mary, mother of Jesus, savior of the whole world, when she was pregnant, she did not stress her husband the way you're stressing me. Are you the only pregnant woman?
It's a lie. It's because Joseph was not the father of Jesus Christ. Go ask Mary. Mary will tell you. She has been lying since. She has been lying to you people. She has been lying. Go ask Mary. See, let me tell you something. You are the father of this baby. You are the father of this my body. So it's your responsibility to take care of us.
Is there any way you can give me this pregnancy?
Go and take knife and tuk me now. Carry it.
What is all this? I'm done.
Jojo, my baby is coming out. Jojo is coming.
Wait. Sorry.
Jojo.
Sorry, it's okay. Sorry, I don't mean to shout on you. Sorry. Nurse, please, how is my wife?
Mr. Jojo, right?
Yes, Mr. Jojo, yes. How is she?
Your wife is fine.
Oh, thank God.
And the babies too, they are fine. Babies? Yes, sir.
I beg, how many them they?
They are 4, sir. They are 4 drink.
Hey!
Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.